Morning everybody, Trapper Bob out on the line again over here at Coyote Farm. I should have turned the camera on earlier, I guess. Got one in the bag already. Same spot I had that double yesterday. Checked another trap. I got one on the point of this railroad bed. It's a really long bed where the coyotes have been running. And looky what we got today. Second one for the day. Nice fur. It's a young one, but it's got good fur on it. This is why I call it Coyote Farm. I rolled up on the first one and there was another coyote again out there waiting. It took off running when I came down. I don't think it was this one that I just caught. This one's been here a while. It's got a pretty good catch circle. Caught the other one on a MB 550. Really deep paw catch. This one I believe is a Bridger number 2. I've got fully modified Bridger number 2s. I bought 3 dozen of them this summer used, and they're just awesome traps. Well, I'll get this one taken care of, remake the set. It's a blistery 20 something degrees out here this morning. Y'all have a good one. I got 3 more farms to check. If I get anything else, I'll get back to you.